In this video, I'm going to explain how to cancel Hacoo order. So once you've ordered something on Hacoo, you can cancel it two ways. The first one, and this one is by far the easiest and the quickest, is to simply go inside your orders, and then from there you'll be able to simply press cancel the order. However, if you want to be sure, and if you for sure want to cancel the order and actually get a refund much quicker, here's the best way to do it, but it takes a bit more work. So what you want to do is go to your profile down at the bottom right over here, and then you want to go to those three dots up top, three lines, sorry, and then over here it says terms and policies. Now go into terms and policies and then go to about Hacoo. Scroll down until you see if you have any questions. Please feel free to email us. The email address is, and then there's their email. What you want to do is just email them and tell them your order number and tell them you would like to cancel it and that you would please like to get a refund for that order. They will respond to you, hopefully quite quickly, and via that you'll be able to resolve your issue and cancel your Hacoo order. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.